Hello. Okay, a friend came to me and was like, Dorcas, I want Christmas jollof. And I was like, who am I to say no? Who am I? Guys, let's get right into it. Okay, so these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe: bell peppers, garlic, ginger, onion, tomato, and some chili. We are going to blend everything, and guys, I bought a blender. Drum roll. So I just transferred everything and I added oil. I'm blending with oil. I did not use water because I didn't want a lot of splash even though I had it. So we transferred everything and we are blending, and this is a very simple way to cook your jollof rice. So in a pan I added some oil, warm it up slightly, add some chopped onion. We are going to fry this for like 2 to 3 minutes, and next I'm just going to check and be sure that everything was frying, and it was. So we are going to add all our blended ingredients into this. I was super busy this day and I did not want to waste time in chopping, cutting tomato, this, so I just blended everything, and trust me, it tastes just like blending. So here we are adding all our spices: oregano, thyme, some black pepper, and basil. You can use any spices of your choice. So yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. It was really splashing, but I did not mind the stew at all because I was in a hurry. So here it has really boiled down beautifully. All our oil has settled on top to indicate that it was ready. I did not add any tomato paste. I just wanted to have the like natural taste of jollof rice. Okay, so I added some salt, stirred everything together. If you like use only tomato, it gives you like this special taste, so try using just tomato. Okay, and here I added my rice. You can use any rice of your choice, but I'm using this rice that I bought here. I'm stirring everything together, and guys, just wait for it. So I added chicken stock, not just the stock, but after like boiling the chicken, I took some of the boiled chicken and blended everything together with the stock, and I had this. Guys, this jollof rice, it tasted super delicious. I was even shocked. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. After that, you check and then you stir everything. Please stir your jollof rice when cooking. If not, some parts will be cooked and other parts will not be cooked. So please stir. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I was cooking under high heat because I was in a hurry going to town. So I just covered this, allow it to cook for additional 10 minutes. Came to check on it again. It was coming together. And it was even burning because I'm cooking under high heat. Please don't be like me, just cook under low heat. Okay, so I stirred everything for the second time. It's very necessary, and I realized like everything was okay. I did not need any water. My stock was just enough. We are going to cover again and just allow everything to come together. At this point, you can cover with kitchen napkin, but I did not need that. So voila, and there we go. Our jollof rice is jollofing. Guys, try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all. Bye.